Hey guys, so we're going to do a quick review on Chapter 9, Relationship Between Variables. Just a quick review. Number 1, a plumber charges $80 an hour for labor and an initial fee of $50. The total cost Y equals 80 times the number of hours X plus 50. Write an equation for the relationship and use the equation to complete the table here and then the graph down below. Alright, so the big key here is total cost. Total cost is going to be your dependent variable. Okay, another keyword equals. We know that 80 means 80, times means times, and the number X representing hours is X, and then you got plus 50. So total cost Y equals 80 times X plus 50. And then you could just leave it like that, or if you want to, maybe rewrite it towards a little bit more, maybe simplified, I guess you could say, you put 80X, which means 80 times X plus 50. Either one would work fine. So what we do here in the table, we're going to take the variables, our time, our hours. So the plumber works 1 hour. You're going to plug the 1 here. So it's going to be 80 times 1. This is 80. 80 plus 50 is 130. Then you're going to plug the 2 in where X is. That's your input value. So you're going to input 2. 80 times 2 is 160. 160 plus 50 is 210. Your other input is 3. We're going to plug in the 3 here. 80 times 3 is 240. 240 plus 50 is 290. That's going to be your output. And then last but not least, if a plumber works 4 hours, it's going to be 80 times 4, 320. 320 plus 50, 370. And then you're going to take your ordered pairs. So these are all your ordered pairs. These represent dots that are going to be on your graph. So I've already spaced them out accordingly. Now the plumber's not going to work half an hour or hour and a half. He could, she could, but I've just labeled the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. But if they did, you would see that here as represented in the line if you wanted to create the line. So let's do here. So 1 hour represents $130. So 1 hour, $130. So it's somewhere between 100 and 150. So in the middle will be 125. So we're just going to go a little bit above the middle. So that's probably $130 roughly. 2 hours, $210. So it's going to be a little bit above the 200. So you're going to have to approximate probably about that. 3 hours, $290. So 3 hours, 290 is going to be close to 300. So just shy of 300, just a little bit less than that. And then 4, 370. So 4 hours, $370. So it's going to be between 350 and 400. Now if you go directly in the middle, that's 375. So we know it's just going to be a smidgen, just a little bit less than half. Okay? And then what you do is just take a straight edge, take a ruler of some kind. I'm going to take a calculator here, so I don't really have a ruler on hand. Okay, and then I'm going to make my line as best I can. It's not going to be perfect, but close enough. Let's see if I can make the line a little bit thicker here. Okay. So I might be a little bit off on that one, but anyways, that's where your line's going to be. And you're going to see it starts right at 50. And even though there's no hours worked, if the plumber shows up and you've canceled the appointment, you still got to pay that $50 because that plumber showed up. All right, he's wasting his time if he doesn't get paid anything at all. All right, so that's basically it. We've taken the equation, put it in that format. You've got the dependent variable, independent variable. You plug in your inputs, get your outputs out, get your ordered pairs, graph them, and that's your equation. So this is technically, you can actually even label this line if you'd like, y equals 80x plus 50. And that's it. All right, hopefully that helps. God bless, and I'll catch you guys later in the next video. Bye-bye.